Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix your corrupted PST file. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be somehow or some cases your Outlook data got corrupted and you have a PST file, but whenever you try to input them in your Outlook it's not accepting. For example, if I have a PST file, let me show you. If I go here in my phone in download folder, if I go here in this show more, and if I click here properties, you will see this is a PST file format. So now if I try to import this PST file in my Outlook, let's see if I go here file, and then if I click here open or export, import or export, and if I click here import from another program or file, if I click here next, Outlook data file .pst, I'm going to click here next, and then I will click here browse, and I will choose the targeted folder or file, and then if I click here open, and now if I click here next, we'll see there is a error message. My Outlook is not accepting this PST file, which is very important for me, and also you might be having the same issue. So this is a very big issue, so I was try a couple of ways to find out on the over the internet, and they suggest me even I told search on AI which software helped me a lot, or which software can actually repair .pst file format. So they suggest me to, there is a one software called Stella. So I open that Stella software, which software is actually looks like this, and they have a special features. You can upload up to 5 GB PST file format. You can directly upload it and repair, and you can easily install or import that PST file in your Outlook. So anyway, I will put this website link in my video description, so you can directly jump over there. So here I will click repair PST file, and then I will choose my PST file. So this is my PST file, so I will choose it, and then I'm going to click here open. After open, this file going to be very fastly upload. The file is uploaded. So what I have to do, I have to click here start repair. So this file going to be start repairing through online, which is really very interesting. So if you are already about to downloading software etc., you can use this their online version directly. You upload your PST file and repair on that, and then you can easily download in your computer and import that repaired PST file on your Outlook. You can see it's going to very fastly analyzing. It's saying almost done, so I'm just waiting until finish this process. Now you can see it has successfully scanned and done repair. It take around 5 minutes to complete this process. After done successfully repair, you can see it's giving me a congratulations. Also I can preview this file through web browser. You can see we can see the preview through the web browser if you want, or if you decide to download this PST file, you can click here save PST file, and it's going to be giving you option upgrade to premium. You can choose premium, but I will choose the download PST, which is the free version, and it's going to be download in my computer. So it will take some time to download, and after that I'll I will try to import this file on my computer and see is it working or not. So it's downloading now. Now you can see the file has successfully downloaded. If I go jump over this file, so this is the main file, and this just now I have repaired. Now let me try to open my Microsoft Outlook, and let me try to import this file. Let's see is it working successfully or not. So I will click here import export, input from another program or file .pst, Outlook data file pst, next browse, and I will choose this the previous file which was the corrupted, and this the just now I had repaired through Stella web version. So I will choose it, and then I'm going to click here open, and then I'm going to click here next, And now you can see this time it's not giving me any error. It's showing me where I need to import or which email. So I will choose as it is, and then I'm going to click here finish. Now you can see those file is now successfully import in my Outlook without having any error, which is really very interesting. Also, you can if you have a now if I jump over here, if I just refresh it, and now we'll see just now all the data is appear here. Just now I had import from my Stella through that PST file, and it has successfully import. Also, if you have more than 5 GB any data and you would like to repair, you can use their desktop versions. In the same link, if you go scroll down, you will find here something say repair last PST file. You can easily download their desktop version. Within their desktop version, you can easily any unlimited file you can easily repair. I already downloaded and installed in my Stella Repair for Outlook. If you open this Stella Repair for Outlook, you can easily click here choose manually, and you can click here browse, and you can easily choose your corrupted PST file, and then you can click here open, and then if you click here repair, it's going to be repair, and after that you can easily save in your computer, and you can easily import in your Outlook. Also, in this this Repair for Outlook desktop version has a special features. There is no limit. If your PST file is more than 5 GB, there is no issue. They are easily going to be fix it. I already tried with there when I saw in the web browser version, and also I test out with their desktop version, which is very user friendly and very fast. Anyway, you can see the selected file has been repaired. So if I click here OK, and then if I click here save repaired file, and you can choose here the save as PST or any other format. So I'll choose here PST, and then I'm going to click here next, and then I'm going to you can choose here any targeted location. I will choose it in my desktop, and then I'm going to click here OK, and then I'm going to click here OK. So it's going to be automatically save on my targeted location, and then you can easily import in your Outlook data with this repaired PST file to Stella. So this is how you can easily repair any PST file. If you're having any issue, you can easily fix this through Stella software, their web version or desktop version. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.